Oh,
It's a combine.
Calvin.
Sure.
Hayi mina wahlala wabinza combine mfethu.
No, it's
Ekuseyingathi kulo mdlalo okuhlayisako ubhizi ucabanga le.
Oh, by the way, I don't computer say let me make this call.
Angithinte ntwana.
Hey, it's me, Andy. Yeah, I just want to say that I miss you. But for now, ngomcoka ukuthi nje kusehlale wathi usifundweni ngisula wena kuse. Ngoba abakhona bonke. Bathi ngicombe nihlezi ngisula wena. So, yeah, sihlezi ngisula wena kuse. Kude lo mngane lekunako futhi namhlanje. Lekunako nje ukuthi ngicombe nihlezi ngisula wena.
Wenzi ungenza ngifile happy, ungenza ngifile happy, wenzi ungenza ngifile happy, ungenza ngifile happy, wenzi ungenza ngifile happy, ungenza ngifile happy, wenzi ungenza ngifile happy. Wenzi emqondweni ngizula wena njalo, ayphela wena baby girl, you are the one, my heart beats for the very one I want to be forever with. That is why I wanna ask you that when you look into my eyes, what you see? Cause when I close my eyes, I see your beautiful face and that beautiful smile on her face. Cause when you've been there for me, you've been there for me, you've been there for me, you've been there for me.
DJ Calvin, holy hell.
Wenzi ungenza ngifile happy, ungenza ngifile happy, wenzi ungenza ngifile happy, ungenza ngifile happy, wenzi ungenza ngifile happy, ungenza ngifile happy, ungenza ngifile happy, wenzi ungenza ngifile happy, emqondweni ngizula wena njalo, ngize ngibone ngathi wena ungilisile, ngize ngibone ngathi wena ungilisile, ngoba wena ungenza ngifile happy, ungenza ngifile happy, ngicela uhlale njalo ngowami, ngicela uhlale njalo ngowami, mina ngeke ngikhone ukuphila phandle kwakho, mina ngeke ngikhone ukuphila phandle kwakho, ngicela uhlale njalo ngowami, ngicela uhlale njalo ngowami.
Wesana sami mina ngiyakhumbula, wesana sami mina ngiyakhumbula, ngicela uhlale njalo